Hey, what's up you guys? So, why is this like so weirdly positioned? Am I weirdly positioned? Not sure. But I got a haircut and it's like so small and I'm not used to it at all. But yesterday I did get an industrial piercing. Now it is right there, if you guys can see it. Don't know if you can see it very well in the camera. That's pretty much it. The ball is like up here, but hidden by my hair, but that is it. And I am addicted to it. But today I'm going to show you how I clean it. Oh, excuse my camera moving a little bit. My cat's here, so you know. So what you need are either like Q-tips, cotton rounds, or cotton balls. I just use these and some toilet paper. The next thing you need is a warm cup of water, which is 8 ounces of warm water. And then I already put it in. It's kind of at the bottom, you probably can't see it because it's kind of all dissolved. But it is 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Don't use any other kind of salt, just sea salt. So what you want to do is dip cotton ball, cotton round, whatever you're using that is sanitary, into the water. Make sure you get along the ball, the back, these two balls pretty much, and all around this. So I'm gonna move you a little bit right now. So I'm gonna just try to use the viewfinder. So I apologize if it's a bad thing, but you want to get right where the bar ends in your ear, and then where the ball is on this side, and then where the ball is near your hair, which is kind of hard to see. It's right there. If you guys can see it, hopefully you can. And then you just clean around it. And if there's blood, this is my second day, so it actually hasn't really been bleeding. It only started bleeding hold on, I'm gonna go out of the camera, but I'm gonna keep talking. Shit. It only started bleeding the first time I started cleaning it, which was literally like 2 hours I got it pierced, and that's normal. It's normal for like the first few days for it to bleed. So pretty much all you want to do is twist it and move it around a little bit. Don't take it out of your ear. You are not allowed to take it out of your ear for at least 3 months so it can heal. And pretty much for 2 to 3 weeks you want to do the sea salt water and the cotton rounds for 2 to 3 times a day. Now this piercing only costed me $30, $35 I think, and I really like it. See, I would do it myself, but no, I'm not gonna try. But the thing is, with the industrial piercing, this is one of probably the most painful you can get for a piercing. So kind of, excuse me, kind of put yourself and see pretty much what your price range is, how, sorry, my phone's. So pretty much put yourself in those shoes where if you really want, because this hole did not hurt when he pierced it, this one hurt a lot. So I was pretty much actually kind of dizzy when he did it. I was like, ooh, that is not a good feeling. But it's fine now. It only kind of hurts when you lay on it like that. Just don't lay on that side. But if you have to, then please be gentle, because if you do lay on it, it can form like 2 little bubbles, like over here and up here. And just make sure it doesn't get infected, because then you can't take your ear piercing out and you have to go to the doctor and everything. So you can't remove your earring for, I think you have to wait 3 months. and then you can remove it and like change earrings. But for now, you have to wash it 2 to 3 times a day for 3 weeks. And then once you want to do it, you have, like, once you want to take it out, you have to like sanitize it and everything, which is sea salt water that I just showed you how to make with this. And make sure it's like not like too hot, make sure it's like warm. You know, but the pain probably was 5 out of 10. I mean, it was bad when he first put it in, like for 10 minutes after, but like after that it doesn't really hurt unless you actually like whack it or touch it. Now I sleep on this side, so it's kind of annoying. So make sure you think about that too, like which side you usually sleep on. If you sleep on your stomach, you sleep on this side or this side. I didn't think about that. I was just like, I'm gonna get it on the right side. It wasn't a very good idea. And if you have long hair, just make sure it doesn't get caught in the earring, because once you brush your hair, it will get caught in the earring, it will hurt. I am speaking from experience, because when he put on the ball, I guess he like twisted some hair into like the screw, and that hurt a lot when I was trying to brush out my hair. But that's part of the reason why I got my hair like kind of short. So like now you actually might be able to see it better right now. But this is what it looks like. I really like it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was pretty like a chill video. So this is just going to be like an overall review kind of thing. You clean pretty much all around the ball, the bar, and then the other ball, and make sure you clean all around your ear, get all the dirt off with the sea salt water. Do not use like hydrogen peroxide, neosporin, rubbing alcohol. I think hydrogen peroxide and rubbing alcohol are the same, but I'm not sure. Just don't use anything except the sea salt water, or like you can buy like sea salt spray for like ear care, and you can use that. I just use the sea salt water, it's the easiest. And yeah, just keep it healthy and it should be good in 3 months. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry this was kind of fast-paced video, kind of slow-paced, kind of everywhere video. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!
In the great outdoors.